Aptricity Enterprise Inventory Management Online Training. Introduction to Aptricity Enterprise Inventory Management. Aptricity Enterprise Inventory Management is a robust software solution designed to streamline and optimize inventory management processes for businesses. It provides comprehensive tools to track, manage, and analyze inventory across various locations and departments within an organization. Key features: Inventory tracking. Aptricity allows real-time tracking of inventory levels, locations, and movements. This helps businesses maintain accurate stock counts and reduces the risk of stockouts or overstocking. Asset visibility. It offers visibility into assets throughout their life cycle, from procurement to disposal. This includes tracking serialized items, managing asset maintenance schedules, and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. Order management. The software facilitates efficient order fulfillment by automating order processing, picking, packing, and shipping operations. This improves order accuracy and speeds up the fulfillment cycle. Reporting and analytics. Aptricity provides detailed reports and analytics on inventory performance, trends, and KPIs. This helps businesses make informed decisions, optimize inventory levels, and identify areas for improvement. Integration capabilities. It integrates seamlessly with other enterprise systems such as ERP, CRM, and accounting software. This ensures data consistency across different platforms and enhances overall operational efficiency. Mobile accessibility. With mobile capabilities, Aptricity allows users to manage inventory, assets, and orders remotely. This flexibility improves workforce productivity and responsiveness. Compliance and security. The software complies with industry standards and offers robust security features to protect sensitive inventory and asset data. Features and capabilities of Aptricity's inventory solutions. Aptricity offers a range of inventory management solutions designed to streamline and optimize inventory processes for businesses. Here are some of the features and capabilities typically associated with Aptricity's inventory solutions. Real-time tracking. Aptricity provides real-time visibility into inventory levels, locations, and movements. This helps businesses maintain accurate stock counts and reduces the risk of stockouts or overstocks. Asset management. Beyond inventory, Aptricity solutions often include asset tracking capabilities. This can involve tracking equipment, tools, and other high-value assets throughout their life cycle. Inventory optimization. Using advanced algorithms and analytics, Aptricity helps businesses optimize their inventory levels. This includes setting reorder points, safety stock levels, and identifying slow-moving or obsolete items. Mobile access. Many of Aptricity's solutions are mobile-friendly, allowing users to access inventory data, perform audits, and update information from smartphones and tablets. This mobility enhances flexibility and efficiency for warehouse and field operations. Integration capabilities. Aptricity solutions are designed to integrate with existing ERP, enterprise resource planning systems, as well as other business applications such as accounting software and CRM, customer relationship management systems. This integration ensures data consistency across the organization. Warehouse management. For larger operations, Aptricity offers warehouse management capabilities that include features like pick and pack management, barcode scanning, and inventory replenishment workflows. Compliance and security. Aptricity places emphasis on compliance with industry regulations and data security. Their solutions often include features for traceability, audit trails, and user permissions to ensure data integrity and regulatory compliance. Reporting and analytics. Businesses can generate customizable reports and leverage analytics tools to gain insights into inventory performance, trends, and operational efficiencies. This data-driven approach supports informed decision-making and continuous improvement. Scalability. Whether a business is small or large, Aptricity's solutions are designed to scale with the organization's growth. This scalability ensures that the inventory management system remains effective and efficient as business requirements evolve. Real-time inventory tracking with Aptricity. Aptricity is known for its real-time inventory tracking solutions that leverage advanced technology to provide businesses with accurate and up-to-date information about their inventory. Here are some key aspects and benefits of using Aptricity for real-time inventory tracking. Real-time visibility. Aptricity offers real-time tracking capabilities, allowing businesses to monitor their inventory levels, movements, and transactions as they happen. This visibility is crucial for making informed decisions and improving operational efficiency. Automation. The platform automates many aspects of inventory management, reducing manual data entry and human error. This automation leads to better accuracy in inventory counts and reduces the likelihood of stockouts or overstock situations. Integration. Aptricity integrates with existing ERP, enterprise resource planning, systems, providing a seamless flow of data across different departments and functions within an organization. This integration ensures that inventory data is consistent and accessible across the entire enterprise. Mobile capabilities. Aptricity's solutions often include mobile applications, allowing staff to update inventory data on the go using smartphones or tablets. This mobility improves the speed of data collection and updates, especially useful in large warehouse or remote locations. Analytics and reporting. The platform typically offers robust analytics and reporting features, enabling businesses to analyze trends, forecast demand, and optimize inventory levels. These insights help in reducing carrying costs while ensuring adequate stock levels. Security and compliance. Aptricity prioritizes data security and compliance with industry regulations, such as GDPR or HIPAA, ensuring that sensitive inventory data is protected and accessed only by authorized personnel. Scalability. Whether a business is small, medium, or large, Aptricity's solutions are designed to scale accordingly. This scalability makes it suitable for growing businesses that need to expand their operations without compromising on inventory management efficiency. Integrating Aptricity with ERP systems. Integrating Aptricity with ERP systems typically involves establishing communication between the two platforms to facilitate data exchange and synchronization. Here's a structured approach you can take. 1. Understanding Aptricity and ERP systems. Aptricity. Identify the specific modules or functionalities within Aptricity that need integration. Example, asset management, supply chain, finance. ERP system. Determine which ERP system you are integrating with, example SAP, Oracle ERP Cloud, Microsoft Dynamics. 2. Assessment of integration requirements. Data flow. Define what data needs to flow between Apptricity and the ERP system. This could include transactions, master data, example items, customers, vendors, or operational data. Frequency. Determine how often data needs to be synchronized, real-time, batch. Integration points. Identify specific integration points such as order management, inventory updates, financial transactions, etc. 3. Integration options. APIs. Check if both Apptricity and the ERP system provide APIs, application programming interfaces, for integration. APIs allow for direct communication between systems. Middleware. Consider using middleware or integration platforms, example MuleSoft, Dell Boomi, Azure Logic apps, to facilitate communication if direct APIs are not available or sufficient. File-based integration. For batch processes, consider using file-based integration methods such as CSV files or XML files exchanged via FTP or secure file transfer protocols. 4. Development and testing. Development phase. Develop the integration based on the chosen method, APIs, middleware, file-based. Testing. Conduct thorough testing to ensure data accuracy, completeness, and integrity throughout the integration process. Error handling. Implement error handling mechanisms to manage exceptions and ensure robustness of the integration. Security measures in Apptricity's inventory solutions. Apptricity's inventory solutions incorporate several key security measures to ensure the protection and integrity of data. Some of these measures typically include data encryption. Encryption is used to secure sensitive data both at rest and in transit. This ensures that even if data is intercepted or accessed without authorization, it cannot be easily read or used. Access control. Strict access controls are implemented to ensure that only authorized personnel have access to specific data and functionalities within the inventory system. This helps prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. Authentication mechanisms. Robust authentication mechanisms such as multi-factor authentication, MFA, are often employed to verify the identities of users accessing the system. This adds an extra layer of security beyond just passwords. Audit trails. Logging and audit trails are maintained to track activities within the system. This helps in monitoring for suspicious activities or potential security breaches, as well as providing accountability. Regular security updates. Apptricity likely implements regular updates and patches to their software to address vulnerabilities and ensure that security measures are up to date with current best practices. Firewalls and network security. Firewalls and other network security measures are employed to protect the system from unauthorized access and potential attacks from external sources. Data backup and recovery. Regular backups of data are crucial for ensuring that in case of a security incident or data loss, information can be restored without significant disruption to operations. Compliance and standards. Compliance with industry standards and regulations, such as GDPR, HIPAA, etc., ensures that Aptricity's solutions meet minimum security requirements and best practices relevant to their customers' industries. Employee training, ensuring that employees are trained in security best practices and aware of potential threats, such as phishing attacks, is also critical in maintaining overall system security. Automation in Aptricity, streamlining operations. Aptricity, as a company specializing in enterprise asset management and supply chain solutions, has implemented various forms of automation to streamline operations effectively. Here's how automation plays a crucial role in enhancing efficiency within Aptricity. Data integration and processing. Automation tools are used to integrate data from various sources such as ERP systems, IoT devices, and logistics platforms. This ensures real-time visibility and accuracy in tracking assets and inventory across the supply chain. Workflow automation. Aptricity employs workflow automation to streamline processes like procurement, order fulfillment, and invoice processing. This reduces manual intervention, minimizes errors, and accelerates the pace of operations. Inventory management. Automation is leveraged to optimize inventory levels and ensure that stock levels are replenished based on predefined thresholds. This prevents stockouts and overstock situations, leading to cost savings and improved customer satisfaction. Asset tracking and maintenance. Through automation, Aptricity enables automated tracking of assets throughout their life cycle. This includes maintenance scheduling based on usage patterns or condition monitoring, ensuring optimal performance and longevity of assets. Predictive analytics. Automation tools are employed to gather and analyze data in real time, enabling predictive analytics for demand forecasting, risk management, and decision-making. This proactive approach helps Aptricity respond swiftly to market changes and customer demands. Customer experience. Automation enhances customer service by providing self-service portals for order tracking, automated notifications for shipment status updates, and personalized recommendations based on past interactions. This improves overall customer satisfaction and retention. Compliance and reporting. Automation ensures compliance with regulatory requirements by automating data collection, validation, and reporting processes. This reduces the risk of non-compliance and improves transparency in operations. Demand forecasting and planning with Aptricity. Aptricity is a company that offers software solutions for various aspects of business operations, including demand forecasting and planning. Here's how Aptricity can assist in these areas. Demand forecasting. Aptricity likely provides tools that use historical data, statistical algorithms, and possibly machine learning to forecast future demand for products or services. This helps businesses anticipate customer demand more accurately, leading to better inventory management and resource allocation. Inventory optimization. Through its software, Aptricity helps businesses optimize their inventory levels based on demand forecasts. This can prevent overstocking or understocking, reducing costs associated with excess inventory or lost sales due to stockouts. Supply chain visibility. Aptricity's solutions likely offer insights into the entire supply chain, enabling businesses to track inventory movements, manage suppliers, and identify potential disruptions. This visibility is crucial for effective planning and forecasting. Collaborative planning. Aptricity may facilitate collaborative planning among different departments or stakeholders within a company. This ensures that demand forecasts are aligned with production capabilities, marketing plans, and financial goals. Real-time data. The ability to work with real-time data is often a key feature of Aptricity's solutions. This allows businesses to adjust their plans quickly in response to market changes or unexpected events. Integration. Aptricity's software likely integrates with other enterprise systems such as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, and CRM, Customer Relationship Management, providing a seamless flow of data across the organization. Customization options for industry-specific needs. Customization options for industry-specific needs typically involve tailoring products or services to meet the unique requirements and challenges of a particular industry. Here are some common strategies and considerations for implementing customization. Feature customization. Allow users to enable or disable specific features based on their industry requirements. For example, accounting software might offer different modules for healthcare, construction, or retail industries. Workflow integration. Integrate with existing workflows and software systems commonly used in the industry. This could involve compatibility with industry-specific standards or APIs. Data handling. Provide options for handling and processing industry-specific data formats and requirements. This might include compliance with regulations like GDPR for industries dealing with sensitive personal data. Reporting and analytics. Customize reporting templates and analytics dashboards to focus on metrics and insights relevant to the industry. For example, manufacturing software might offer analytics on production efficiency and waste reduction. Compliance and regulations. Ensure that the product meets industry-specific compliance standards and regulations. This could involve features for audit trails, security measures, or data retention policies. User interface (UI) customization. Allow customization of the user interface to reflect industry-specific terminology and workflows. This enhances usability and reduces training time for new users. Training and support. Offer industry-specific training materials, tutorials, and support resources to help users leverage the product effectively within their industry context. Scalability and flexibility. Design the product to scale with the needs of different-sized businesses within the industry. This might include offering different pricing tiers or licensing models based on usage. Feedback mechanisms. Implement feedback loops to gather insights from industry users, allowing continuous improvement and adaptation to changing industry trends and needs. Consultative approach. Provide consulting or advisory services to help clients customize the product further to suit their specific business processes and goals. What are the key challenges in current inventory management practices? Inventory management faces several key challenges in current practices, which include demand forecasting accuracy. Forecasting demand accurately is crucial for maintaining optimal inventory levels. Inaccurate forecasts can lead to stockouts or overstocking, both of which are costly. Inventory optimization. Balancing inventory levels to meet customer demand while minimizing holding costs and obsolescence is challenging. This requires sophisticated algorithms and continuous monitoring. Supply chain disruptions, events like natural disasters, political instability, or pandemics can disrupt the supply chain, causing delays or shortages in inventory replenishment. Inventory visibility. Lack of real-time visibility into inventory across multiple locations can lead to inefficiencies as it becomes harder to coordinate supply and demand. Managing SKU proliferation. As product variety increases, managing a larger number of SKUs becomes complex. Each SKU requires separate forecasting, stocking, and tracking efforts. Cost management, balancing inventory costs, holding, ordering, and shortage costs with customer service levels and profitability requires a nuanced approach. Inventory accuracy. Inaccurate inventory records due to errors in receiving, picking, or data entry can lead to discrepancies between actual and reported inventory levels. Technology integration. Implementing and integrating advanced inventory management systems like ERP, WMS, or RFID with existing systems can be costly and complex. Seasonality and trends. Managing seasonal fluctuations and changing consumer trends requires flexibility in inventory planning and stocking strategies. Sustainability. Increasing emphasis on sustainability requires businesses to manage inventory in a way that minimizes environmental impact, such as reducing excess packaging or optimizing transportation routes. How can Aptricity improve inventory visibility and tracking? Aptricity, a company specializing in enterprise asset management and supply chain solutions, can enhance inventory visibility and tracking through several strategies and technologies. Implement RFID technology. Integrate RFID, radio frequency identification, tags for real-time tracking of inventory items. RFID enables automatic scanning and updating of inventory status as items move through various stages of the supply chain. Utilize IoT sensors. Deploy Internet of Things (IoT) sensors to monitor inventory conditions such as temperature, humidity, and location. This provides real-time data and alerts for proactive management of inventory. Cloud-based inventory management. Offer cloud-based inventory management systems that provide centralized access to inventory data from anywhere. This allows for better coordination across different locations and enables real-time updates. Advanced analytics and reporting. Develop advanced analytics capabilities to analyze inventory trends, forecast demand, and optimize stocking levels. This helps in reducing stockouts and excess inventory, improving overall efficiency. Mobile and app integration. Develop mobile applications that allow warehouse staff and logistics personnel to update inventory data on the go. This ensures that inventory records are always up to date and accurate. Integration with ERP systems. Ensure seamless integration with existing ERP, enterprise resource planning, systems to streamline data flow between inventory management, procurement, and financial modules. Machine learning for demand forecasting. Implement machine learning algorithms to predict demand patterns based on historical data and current market trends. This helps in maintaining optimal inventory levels and reducing carrying costs. Automated replenishment processes. Set up automated triggers for inventory replenishment based on predefined thresholds and demand forecasts. This reduces the likelihood of stockouts and ensures continuity in supply. Supply chain visibility. Provide end-to-end supply chain visibility by integrating with suppliers and logistics partners. This facilitates tracking of inventory from supplier to end customer, enhancing transparency and reducing lead times. Customer and supplier portals. Develop portals for customers and suppliers to access real-time inventory data, place orders, and track shipments. This improves collaboration and enhances customer service levels. Why is real-time data crucial for effective inventory management? Real-time data is crucial for effective inventory management primarily because it provides accurate and up-to-date information about inventory levels, movements, and trends. Here are several reasons why real-time data is so important. Accurate inventory levels. Real-time data allows businesses to know exactly how much stock they have at any given moment. This accuracy prevents overstocking or stockouts, which can lead to lost sales or excess holding costs. Demand forecasting. By analyzing real-time sales data, businesses can more accurately forecast demand. This helps in planning future inventory levels and making procurement decisions to meet customer demand without unnecessary stockpiling. Inventory turnover. Real-time data helps in calculating inventory turnover ratios, which are critical for assessing how efficiently inventory is being managed and how quickly products are moving off the shelves. Reduction in holding costs. Holding costs, such as warehousing and insurance expenses, can be minimized when inventory levels are optimized based on real-time data. This efficiency translates into cost savings for the business. Prevention of stockouts and overstocking. With real-time data, businesses can proactively reorder products as they approach minimum stock levels, preventing stockouts that could lead to lost sales. Similarly, they can avoid overstocking, which ties up capital and storage space. Improved customer service. Accurate inventory information means businesses can fulfill customer orders promptly and accurately. This improves customer satisfaction and loyalty as customers receive their orders on time and in full. Identifying trends and seasonal variations. Real-time data allows businesses to identify trends and seasonal variations in demand quickly. This insight helps in adjusting inventory levels and marketing strategies accordingly. Efficient supply chain management. Real-time inventory data can be shared with suppliers and logistics partners, facilitating smoother coordination and reducing lead times in the supply chain. How does Apptricity ensure data security in inventory management? Apptricity ensures data security in inventory management through several key measures. Encryption. Data transmitted between devices, servers, and clients is encrypted using strong encryption protocols, example TLS, to prevent interception by unauthorized parties. Access control. Strict access controls are implemented to ensure that only authorized personnel can access sensitive data. This includes role-based access controls, RBAC, and strong authentication mechanisms. Data segregation. Apptricity segregates data to ensure that different clients' data and different types of data, example personal versus operational, are kept separate, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Regular audits and monitoring. Continuous monitoring and regular audits of systems and access logs help detect and respond to any unauthorized access attempts or anomalies promptly. Compliance and certifications. Aptricity adheres to industry standards and best practices for data security. They may also obtain certifications, example ISO 27001, to demonstrate their commitment to data security and compliance with regulations. Data backup and recovery. Regular backups of data ensure that in case of data loss or corruption, information can be restored quickly and effectively without compromising the integrity or security of the data. Employee training. Training programs for employees ensure they understand security protocols, best practices, and their role in maintaining data security. Secure development practices. During the software development life cycle, security is integrated at every stage. Secure coding practices, vulnerability assessments, etc., to mitigate potential vulnerabilities. How does Aptricity facilitate demand forecasting and planning? Aptricity facilitates demand forecasting and planning through its software solutions designed to streamline and optimize the process. Here are some key ways in which Aptricity helps in demand forecasting and planning. Data integration and collection. Aptricity software integrates with various data sources across the supply chain, including sales data, historical demand, market trends, and inventory levels. This integration ensures that the forecasting models have access to comprehensive and real-time data. Advanced analytics and forecasting models. Aptricity utilizes advanced analytics and forecasting models to predict future demand based on historical patterns, seasonal variations, and other relevant factors. These models may include statistical methods, machine learning algorithms, and predictive analytics to improve accuracy. Collaborative planning. The platform supports collaborative planning processes by allowing different departments and stakeholders within an organization to contribute to the forecasting and planning process. This collaboration ensures that forecasts are based on diverse insights and perspectives. Scenario planning. Aptricity enables scenario planning by allowing users to simulate different scenarios and assess their impact on demand forecasts and supply chain operations. This capability helps in creating contingency plans and making informed decisions in uncertain situations. Real-time updates and adjustments. Given its real-time data integration capabilities, Aptricity provides updates and adjustments to forecasts as new information becomes available. This responsiveness ensures that forecasts remain accurate and relevant even in dynamic market conditions. Inventory optimization. By accurately forecasting demand, Aptricity helps in optimizing inventory levels. This prevents overstocking or understocking situations, thereby reducing carrying costs and improving overall supply chain efficiency. Demand sensing. Aptricity incorporates demand sensing capabilities, which involve capturing short-term demand signals to adjust forecasts dynamically. This helps in responding quickly to changes in customer demand and market conditions. Reporting and visualization. The platform offers robust reporting and visualization tools that enable users to track forecast accuracy, monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, and visualize demand trends over time. This visibility enhances decision-making and strategic planning. Why choose ProExcellency for Aptricity Enterprise Inventory Management? Choosing ProExcellency for implementing Aptricity Enterprise Inventory Management can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency likely has a team of consultants who specialize in Aptricity solutions. They bring expertise and experience in implementing enterprise inventory management systems, ensuring a smooth deployment tailored to your business needs. Customization. ProExcellency can customize the Aptricity solution to fit your specific requirements. They understand the nuances of inventory management across different industries and can adapt the software accordingly, maximizing its effectiveness for your organization. Support and training. They offer comprehensive support and training services. This ensures that your team is well equipped to use the Aptricity system efficiently from day one. ProExcellency can provide ongoing support as you integrate the system into your daily operations. Integration capabilities. ProExcellency likely has integration capabilities that can seamlessly connect Aptricity Enterprise Inventory Management with other systems your business uses. This integration is crucial for data consistency and operational efficiency. Proven track record. Check ProExcellency's track record with similar projects. They may have successfully implemented Aptricity solutions for other clients, demonstrating their capability to deliver results and meet expectations. Scalability. As your business grows, ProExcellency can help scale the Aptricity solution accordingly. They understand the scalability features of the software and can advise on how to expand its usage as your inventory management needs evolve. Cost-effective solutions. They may offer cost-effective solutions tailored to your budget constraints. ProExcellency can provide insights into how to optimize your investment in Aptricity for maximum ROI. Thank you.